The bee hummingbird is the smallest bird in the world, measuring about 2.2 inches in length. Native to Cuba, this tiny bird weighs less than a dime, making it a remarkable example of avian diversity. With iridescent feathers and rapid wing beats, the bee hummingbird is a sight to behold. They're known for their incredible hovering abilities and can fly backwards with ease. These birds primarily feed on nectar from flowers using their long, specialized bills. Their role in pollination is crucial for many plant species, showcasing their importance in the ecosystem. Despite their small size, bee hummingbirds exhibit bold personalities and fierce territorial behavior. Observing their antics can be a delightful experience for bird watchers and nature lovers alike.